where influence is when you have a problem, how you can push what you need, how you can get things done. That's what is influence all about. So a project manager should have both of these capabilities. So now let's look at some of the organization structures. Basically, you can have different kinds of organizational structures. You might have worked in different kinds of organizational structures, but what are different structures available in case of PMBOK? There are two ends to this organization structure. One end is called as one end of the structure you have functional organization. Okay, to the other end you have projectized organization. In case of functional organization, it is hierarchical. You have people working in different lines of operation. There might be a manufacturing department, there might be a finance department, there might be a HR department. So there are clear hierarchical definitions. Then there is projectized organization, which is completely project based. Not much importance is given to hierarchy out here. People get together for the sake of a project. Once the project gets over, they get dissolved, they join different projects. So here it's something like the project is the driving force. In case of functional organization, the functional capability, which might be HR people grouping together, manufacturing people grouping together. So it's the functional capability or the functional expertise that has to say in case of functional organization. But in projectized organization, it's a specific project that's the top of the ladder. So between these two, the functional and the projectized organization, you have something called as matrix organization. The matrix organization is a mix of functional and projectized organization. Again, within matrix you have three flavors. You have weak matrix, you have balanced matrix, then you have strong matrix. Now let's get going with the role of project manager in each of these organization structures. In the functional organization, the functional manager mostly plays the role of project manager. Even if there is a project manager, he is weaker. Or in other words, take it that in a functional organization, the project manager does not exist. So now as you get going from functional to projectized, where in the projectized organization, the project manager is really powerful, and either there is no functional manager or the functional manager is really weak. He plays a supporting function. Now with this context, if you look at each of the types of matrix organization, the first one is weak matrix. The weak matrix is lot more functional. It has more flavors of the functional organization, but here the project manager is called as project expediter. Is called as project expediter. Then the next one is balanced matrix. Here the project manager is called as project coordinator. The role is called as project coordinator. Then the third one is strong matrix, where the project manager role exists. So from this, it is no big deal to understand that in case of weak matrix, since the project manager is called as project expediter and weak matrix falls closer to functional organization, the project expediter is lot less powerful than project coordinator. So when you move from left to right, the project manager's role gets more power in each of these structures. So in the functional organization, the project manager does not exist, or he does not have any power. In project expediter, or in case of weak matrix, the project expediter has some power, but he is not as powerful as the functional manager. Mostly he does what his functional manager asks to do. Then comes the project coordinator, which is part of the balanced matrix organization. Here the project coordinator can take some decisions, but he is not still as powerful as a project manager in a projectized organization. Then comes the project manager in a strong matrix organization. He doesn't enjoy all the great things of a projectized organization, but he's part of a strong matrix organization where probably he's acting as a consultant, but he plays the role of a project manager for a particular